Just about to head out for weekly grocery shopping. I'm waiting for my 2 helpers. They're supposed to be here any second. We are going to do 3 stops today. First one is going to be Costco. I actually just went to Costco a couple of weeks ago, but I decided that I'm going to adjust the time of the month that I go to Costco because I had gotten into the pattern of going like at the end of the month. And Costco has this, or at least they have in the past, this weird thing where they'll have their savings, like it's kind of like their ad, but it's for almost a month. But they'll have like a 5-day gap or something in between one ad and the other. So if you go during that gap, there's like nothing on sale. And so I was finding that I was ending up sometimes being there towards the end of the month where I was in that gap. And so I figured I'd go a little bit closer to the middle of the month, make sure the stuff that's on sale is still, you know, in stock and all of that. So we're going to just do another Costco haul, you know, like 2 weeks later. And then from here on out, we'll try to do our Costco haul towards the middle of the month. After Costco, we are going to head to Safeway, just a few things that we need there. And they have a $10 off, $50 coupon this week. So we're going to use that. And then the last place is pick up our weekly milk. We get farm fresh milk every week and we had to bump up to 3 gallons a week. We were at 2 gallons a week and it just ended up not being enough. And so we are going to grab our 3 gallons of fresh milk last, and then we will head home. It is so rainy today. Apparently fall has arrived. I just have my one helper, Charity. The other helper wasn't able to make it today. So we'll see if we can make it with just one. They got the deluxe Ninja Creamy, $179. That's the one we have. It's good. Halloween chocolate cookie house. Ice maker, microwave, Ninja, air fryer. These are cute. Got Christmas stuff already. Those are really cute. And they have the snowflake ones. Or like snowman. Those are adorable. Oh, what's this one? One more. Oh, these are snowflake. Those are super cute. And Christmas rugs. We're officially in the holiday season. All right, I want to see if they have a, oh, they do. It's over on the next aisle. And then, oh, maybe. Maybe not. Maybe they do. We'll see. An immersion blender. I need a new immersion blender. I gave mine to Otto. And I'm going to get a new one. These are cool. Ooh. Measuring spoons and cups. I like those. Cuisinart immersion blender. And it comes with all of this stuff. That's basically the one I had before that I just gave away. I think it's probably the best option. And it's just so cheap compared to like on Amazon. So I think I'm gonna do it. $40. Yeah. It'll probably go on sale here in the holiday season, but I need it now. And cookie press. Cookie. That's cool. Yep, it's definitely Christmas already. The girls got this for Christmas last year from my brother. That is so cool. The Mona Lisa. Well, look at this one. Oh, it's Harry Potter. It's what are they?
The mandrakes.
Mandrakes. Wow, that's funny. Technic cars. Look, I want to see this. Oh, well, look at this.
Lion King.
Oh, it's the hat.
It's the Sorting Hat.
And the Lion King. And Minecraft. But this one looked really cute. Look at this, poinsettias. Those are so pretty. $37.99. These look good. Lamb shanks, $6.99 per pound. Pretzel bites, yum. These are new individually wrapped cheese sticks, beef sticks, because they have this that we've gotten before that are good, but you know, you have to open a whole big package. Those ones are individually wrapped for $12.99 for 18 ounces, and this is $14.99 for 36 ounces. So that's obviously still cheaper. That makes sense. I've never seen halloumi cheese here. That's interesting. Let's see, it's 1 pound, 1.6 ounces for $6.99. That's pretty good. Still don't see the Kirkland butter that I wanted. We need to get some cream cheese. Always have to get cheese sticks. Gotta restock on coffee. Ooh. I'll just take the whole box. Garlic parmesan. Oh, soybean oil is the first ingredient.
A bacon crumble.
Is it French?
I don't know. It's a bacon crumble.
Levi requested some of those rice ramen noodles. Can you grab a package of those?
Okay.
Those right there.
There.
These ones are the millet and brown rice.
Can you get more?
No.
Oh.
Magic Spoon is good. It's just so expensive.
Well, how much
Oh,
is
they
it?
have it on sale for $10 for like a double box, but still, I just can't do it. Levi and Jeff are going on a camping trip and they requested almond flour crackers, so we're getting those. I think we got everything we need. Can you think of anything else?
Red mango.
No, I'm not buying that today. I think we got, let me look at my list one more time, make sure.
$8.99, $19.59, $8.89, $34.99. Credit $7, $39.99, $9.99,
Good deal.
$8.89.
Is that it?
$9.99.
All right, we did it. We'll do non-food items first. Got paper towels. Then, of course, we got the immersion blender. We'll see how this goes. This is just an upgraded version from the one I had recently, but I was excited that it had the food processor attachment. My last one did not. And those come in handy sometimes, just, you know, for chopping some stuff. So excited about that. Got a big bag of baking soda, and then I also decided to try out the Puma shoes that are on sale. I needed some new ones for running an exercise class, so grab those. Such a good deal. Then for food, we got 2 boxes of the Simple Mills almond flour crackers. We love those. Pasta for the kiddos, coffee for me, 2 double packs of pepperoni, a box of cream cheese. I like this one because it's the individual bars rather than like a big tub. Big thing of cottage cheese, some organic broccoli florets, string cheese because the kids live on that. Love these little tiny potatoes, little Kramer potatoes, so got another bag of those this time. We got a big bag of organic cane sugar for the kids baking. Bacon crumbles. Got some rice ramen noodles, millet and brown rice ramen noodles. Levi loves this and he was asking for some recently, so haven't had them in a while, decided to do that. Got 3 bunches of bananas, and then we got 2 things of the organic maple syrup. This is always such a good deal at Costco. I don't know how they could sell it so cheap. Oh, do you have the receipt? There is a view of the receipt. Total that I spent was $271.27. Next stop, Safeway. These are the oranges on sale. No, not mangoes, oranges. Oh, and then these were on sale too. Fuji Gala. Oh, that one looks like someone took a bite out of it, or tried to. That's better. All the bananas at Costco were green, so we got to get some yellow ones. This cocoa is the best. We need to get some. Let's see, I need to make sure I'm getting up to $50 here. We are out of pickled jalapenos. I like this one, the tamed ones. Let's get a couple of those. And then I think we're already at the $50 mark.
Why don't we put that one?
because I have a coupon for $10 off if you spend $50. We'll do a quick cart haul. I got the mandarins, clementines, got 4 bags of apples. The organic apples were on sale. 2 cucumbers. Charity said she needed some muffin liners, cupcake liners. Got a couple bags of milk chocolate chips. 2 of the Hershey Cocoa Special Dark. This is my favorite cocoa. 2 of the tamed jalapenos, some more bananas, of course, and a cabbage. There is a quick view of the receipt. I spent $45.67. I got my $10 basket savings there, and then I also had $2 in rewards. So got that taken off as well. So pretty good deal. Last stop is picking up milk. Gonna bring back my empty jars and pick up 6 full jars.